The Astronomia Casino is the first high watchmaking timepiece to incorporate a functioning roulette wheel within its sapphire crystal and 18-carat rose gold case. The Roulette Function is an on-demand feature. One press of the pusher at 7 o'clock and the roulette wheel is set into motion. The ceramic ball bounces around while the wheel spins, eventually coming to rest on the winning number. The rotating double-axis tourbillon movement is separated from the roulette table by a clear sapphire crystal. The Roulette Function, which took more than a year to develop and perfect, operates on a different power reserve than the Astronomia movement and is charged each time you press the pusher. The speed of the roulette wheel spinning is exactly the same with each activation. The best way to play is to lay the watch flat and then activate the pusher. And place your bets. The double-axis tourbillon makes one complete revolution around the dial in 10 minutes, while rotating on itself in 60 seconds. The Jacob-cut diamond with its 288 facets sits on another satellite of the movement, rotating around the dial in 10 minutes and on itself in 30 seconds. The magnesium globe is on another satellite of the movement, rotating around the dial in 10 minutes and on itself in 30 seconds. The hour and minute dial makes one revolution in 10 minutes and uses a patented differential system to make sure the time display orientation is always in the correct 12-6 position. With the Astronomia Casino's crownless design, winding and setting is done using the lift-out bows on the back of the watch. One bow is for winding the 60-hour power reserve. The other is for setting the time. The Astronomia Casino puts a casino on your wrist. Are you feeling lucky today?